If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday to you.
What are we having for Grandma's birthday?
We're having pancakes with banana and strawberries with ice cream with a candle on top.
Ice cream? Avi, do we ever have ice cream on our pancakes? No. Whose idea was this, do you think?
Mama's.
It was Grandma's idea. Say thanks, Grandma.
Thanks, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday.
Oh, blow them out. Blow harder, Avi. Got to practice for next week. There you go. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.